yung issue na yan ng flood control corruption, isa kayo sa naunang mga whistleblowers. And yet here we are. What can you say about the developments toward going after those who we must hold accountable?
Well, there's no doubt about it, that people are really frustrated. And I myself is really, I'm very disappointed with this low investigation. And until now, ang nakikita lang natin na nakulong yung mga senator. Pero from a very personal perspective, marami talagang mga congressman dyan. And of course, they are also allied with some local government officials. And many of them are actually involved dito sa anomaly, not only sa flood control projects, but in other infra projects as well.
Kagaya yung rock netting, wala pa pong nahuhuli o nakakasuhan, tama?
Wala pang nakukulong. May kinasuhan na kami. Isa sa pinakamalaking contractor dito sa Cordillera. At siya mismo nagsabi na nagtapat siya sa akin. During my interview, sabi niya, Mayor, tatapatin na kita. 90% ng rock netting dito sa Cordillera substandard. Sabi ko, bakit substandard? Isa lang ang pinanggalingan na supplier sa mga materyales, sabi niya.
So,
at pinanggap niya yung pangalan ni Congressman Eric Yap.
So kaso pa lang, wala pang, bakit hindi pa, ano bang nangyayari, Mayor? Saan
Well,
ang...
na-file na natin yung case. Na-file na natin yung case sa ombudsman. Siguro, nagkakaroon pa lang ng nasa preliminary investigation na stage pa lang.
Kailan po na-file yun?
When I was still with ICI.
That's so long
Siguro
ago!
mga siguro a month after I resigned from ICI. Kasi inumpisahan ko sa ICI and then iniwanan ko yung investigation report sa ICI. At pinirinisan ko ng kopya si Secretary Vince Dizon.
Okay. So you are as frustrated as we are.
Yun nga, nakakalungkot isipin. After a year, alam mo, sa dami ng anomalies dyan, we're talking about siguro mga 200,000 or more since 2016. And the highest number started in 2022. And out of that number, mga 30,000 are flood control projects. So can you just imagine, ang NBI, I heard na or less mga 100 lang yata o 80 to 100 cases lang na imbestigahan niya. Philippine National Police, probably about 200. So we are way short of the actual target.
Right. So what is the solution?
Well, it is it is a declaration, pronouncement of the president that, pagbigay siya ng target ng bawat investigating body. And kailangan ang mga results measurable din, ang progress measurable din.
Tama.
Kaya dapat may mga numbers na binabanggit.
Right. Somebody must crack the whip.
Yes. Yeah. You said it.